In this video, you will learn about browser-driven load testing with Chrome and Firefox. Silk Performer has been supporting browser-driven load testing since it has been invented in 2010. Its foundation has always been, and still is, the Silk Performer browser application, which hosts the so-called Internet Explorer or IE control. Recording browser-driven scripts is still managed through the browser application, hence through Internet Explorer. For replay, you can now additionally use Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. But why would you want to use browser-driven in the first place? Because it produces a more realistic load, which is the main benefit for the server side. The server is accessed from a variety of browsers, which all can behave quite differently. This is also beneficial for the client side, because different browsers provide different, varying results for the same metrics. And besides, it is just a simple and convenient way of creating load test scripts. So let's see how we can make use of Firefox and Chrome in a browser-driven scenario. We start by creating a new project of type web browser-driven and enter the URL of our demo website. Note that the Silk Performer browser application is preset as recording profile. We start the recording and the browser application displays. We perform a few interactions within our demo web application, and then stop the recording. Let's first perform a normal trial run using Internet Explorer. On the Try Script dialog, we can now select a browser from this list. Note that for Firefox and for Chrome, the features step-by-step execution and pause on error are not available. So let's choose Internet Explorer for now to be able to turn on the step-by-step option. We're going to use it to add a couple of TTI functions to our script. The browser application displays, which hosts the IE control, as well as a number of useful tools and features within the Locator Spy and the replay window. We step through the lines of our script and add the strings email and password as TTI elements. To learn more about the TTI, you can watch the Time to Interact video. Note that including TTI elements through the UI is also only available within the browser application. We have adapted the script to our needs and can now perform another trial run using the newly supported browsers. Let's first use Firefox. Note that we can run all browsers both visibly and invisibly. We click Run and Firefox displays, replaying our load test script. The trial run was executed successfully, so let's now also try Chrome. Again, Chrome displays, and the script is being executed successfully. To use a set of different browsers in your load test, create a profile for each browser. Right-click the Profiles node, click New Profile, and give it a name. Then double-click it, go to Web Browser-driven, and set the browser. We will now execute a quick verification load test with the profiles we've defined. After a little while, the verification load test page displays, and we can explore the results. And here they are, the overview results for the 3 user types. In addition to Internet Explorer, you can now also use Firefox and Chrome to run your browser-driven scripts. Remember though to stick with Internet Explorer when you want to make use of the features that are part of the browser application.